Okay, so continuing on with double-digit divisors, when the divisor is bigger than the dividend. So I have a new problem. I have 54 divided by 900 now. So again, in my divisor, I see a nice round number that I can very easily break up into two manageable parts, and I can almost complete this problem in my head at this point. So I have 54 divided by, and if I'm going to break 900 up into two manageable pieces, I'm going to think of powers of 10. So I know I have 9 hundreds essentially, so I can pull out 100. And then I can divide that by 9. So I have 54 divided by 100. And I see that there's 2 zeros in 100. So I know when I'm dividing, my answer gets smaller. So if I'm thinking or picturing a place value chart in my mind, I know that I would make two shifts because there's 2 zeros in 100, and these numbers would shift 2 spaces to the right. Or I can move my decimal point, 1, 2. So I know that 54 divided by 100 gives me 54 hundredths. Now I take that answer and I still have to divide that by 9. So I have 54 hundredths divided by 9. And I just simply think in my mind, 9 times what gives me 54? And I already know from my previous problem, I know that 9 times 6 is 54, but I might be a little bit confused about where to place my 6. So I can set up my long division problem and divide 54 hundredths by 9. And I know from review that when my decimal is in the den, I just bring it straight up. And then I can go right down the line. Can I get any 9s out of 5? No. Can I get any 9s out of 54? Yes, and I know 9 times 6 is 54. So I know 54 hundredths divided by 9 is 6 hundredths. Look, hundredths in the problem, hundredths in my answer.